Sean and Tammy Durham present 39 Thorley Way, Lockridge. Calling first home buyers or investors. Here's your chance to secure this solid brick and tile 4-bedroom 2-bathroom home sitting on a 686 square metre block zoned R20-35. With council approval, you can retain the existing home and build a second home. Or with some TLC, add your personal touch to the existing home and have plenty of room at the back for the kids to enjoy. The potential is limitless. The existing home features a large front lounge room with a gas point. The kitchen has gas cooking and ample cupboards. The master bedroom is a queen bed-size room with built-in robe and roller shutters on the window. One of the other bedrooms is a guest-size room with a his and hers walk-in robe and an ensuite boasting a double shower. There's plenty of room at the back for entertaining, and 39 Thorley Way is close to shops, public transport and all that the Swan Valley has to offer. For more information or a private viewing, contact Sean on 0411 577 920 or Tammy on 0403 123 925.